All right, so here in Learning Target 4, we are taking control and making our own version of the water cycle diagram that we made in our notes. So again, this is not something copied directly or a screenshot from our notes. It is not from Google. You are making this yourself. We of course want to have every water cycle process shown in the diagram. So I've got them all listed over here for you so you can check them off as we add them into the diagram. But to start the background, we want to make sure that we have all spheres represented so we can get every single arrow in correctly, showing how water moves around between all the spheres. So this should be a color image, so I'm going to use all the different colors to represent what I'm drawing. So I've got green here, and I'm going to start with some hills, right, some grass. I'm then going to switch over to blue and get a little pond action in there, maybe make it bigger, kind of fill it in. There we go. Okay, and the green is also like, well, the ground. I should have maybe started with brown, like the soil down here. I'm going to do this, I think, like some sand and dirt and soil and stuff in there. Okay, I want to make sure I have a few trees. There they are, biosphere. I can also add in some grasses. Directions also said make sure that we have a cloud. So what? Not pink. Cloud. Okay, so let's see. We have water, we have land, air obviously is there, trees and grass and cloud. Okay, we have everything. So now we can start putting our arrows in. So you certainly, again, can utilize your notes. That's the point. So we've got our picture here that we're trying to duplicate over here. Just looks a little different on where the arrows are going to be. So our first one here, precipitation is falling downwards from the cloud. So I want to add in some sort of precip before I put my arrow in there and label it. Condensation I have going towards a cloud because it's that phase change from gas to a liquid. So again, find a spot in your diagram where you can draw that in, right? It doesn't have to look exactly like the notes. I don't want it to. I want it to be your own. And of course, every arrow then should have that label, condensation. This is a gas to a liquid. Okay, so then I would cross this one off, got it, and then I would continue to add in the rest.